In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my Metatrader 4 account. If you've ever opened Metatrader 4 and wondered which login number and server you're supposed to use, this walkthrough is for you. Your MT4 account information lives in your broker's dashboard on their website, not inside the MT4 app itself. So we'll head there first, then I'll show you exactly where those details appear and how to read them confidently. Start by logging in to your broker account on their official website. Many traders use a dashboard similar to the IC Markets client area, but the process is the same across most brokers. Make sure you're on the correct site and that your connection is secure before entering your credentials. If your broker offers extra security like two-factor authentication, it's a good idea to have that enabled. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main client area where you can manage accounts, deposits, and settings. Next, navigate to the section labeled My Accounts or Trading Accounts. This is where all of your trading profiles are listed. Depending on your broker's layout, the link might be in a sidebar, a top navigation tab, or a dashboard tile. If you see multiple categories, choose the one that specifically mentions trading accounts. Some dashboards also provide a filter or platform selector. If so, make sure it's set to MT4 rather than MT5 so you're viewing the right accounts. On the Trading Accounts page, you should see your Metatrader 4 accounts displayed with key details. Look for entries marked MT4 Demo or MT4 Live. The Demo label indicates practice funds, while Live indicates a real money account. Next to each MT4 account, you'll find the account number and the server name. The account number is your MT4 login ID, and the server name is the exact server you'll select in the MT4 platform when you sign in. Some dashboards include a small copy icon to make grabbing these details easier. If you have multiple accounts, check the platform column or the account type label to make sure you're looking at MT4. On mobile, you may need to expand each row or rotate your device to see all fields. If you don't see your account right away, make sure no filters are hiding it. Confirm you're viewing the correct region or broker entity if your broker has more than one, and refresh the page. Newly created accounts can take a short moment to appear. That's it. You now know where to find your MT4 account number and server in your broker's dashboard, exactly what you need to log into Metatrader 4 securely.